You want to use ChatGPT or Google's AI, Palm 2, powering Bard to drive engagement on social networks? I'm going to show you how in less than 10 seconds. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. Using this post, say you want to actually congratulate somebody and actually say more than just congrats, great job, all the best, well done. Just like some of these comments that you see here. Let's actually get noticed by our potential buyer that we might be engaging with, or someone that we truly care about. So in this case, my friend John says, "Good morning. It's with great pleasure and huge excitement. I'm pleased to announce that today I start the next chapter of my journey with this company as commercial director. It's a company I've admired, and a huge thank you to Tony and Jacob. Without doubt, two of the best innovators in the industry." Now, what could I possibly say? Well, use Flying Gauge AI to be able to help you write an optimistic, thoughtful, or curious reply, or create your own. I'm going to choose thoughtful. So here you see we've written a message that actually has relevance, meaning, context, and is contextually sound. All I need to do is come inside here and do an @congratulations John. And I'm going to select John's name and backspace that last name so he knows that I authentically engaged inside of here. Well, we also recommend that we actually tag the company. And so in this case, he has not tagged the company, so I'm not sure if we're going to be able to find it, but let's find out. It looks like that's the one. So there you have it. Now you've written an authentic response with some emojis and hashtags that would really capture someone's attention. That was done in less than 10 seconds. Okay, say you want to engage with a potential buyer. I'm going to share with you this post here from my friend and advisor, Jennifer Murphy. She is a potential purchaser of my software or services. Let's just pretend for this illustration purposes. With that in mind, she's written a post here that is specifically around a personal post. She's not a fan of it, but she had the privilege of attending open weekend of the Sphere Las Vegas, and she got to experience the masterfulness of U2. She's a huge fan. She includes this great picture inside there. And now, what do we say? Well, we're going to come down over here, and instead of taking 5 minutes to think about what I say, plus 5 minutes to edit, I'm just going to write an optimistic reply. And I'm going to let Flying Gauge do all the work inside of here. And bada bing, bada boom, in less than 10 seconds, I've got a response that actually makes sense. All I need to do is come inside here and I need to tag @Jennifer Murphy. And of course, delete out the last name so that they know that I've authentically engaged directly with them. Now that is the power of Flying Gauge AI in your hands, utilizing ChatGPT as well as Google's AI Palm 2, which is the same exact AI powering Bard. So if you would like to have that power directly in your hands with the click of a button, why don't you try it for free at flymessage.io. Download the Chrome or Edge extension and go to LinkedIn, and you'll click on a comment and you'll directly see it right there inside of LinkedIn.